Welcome to Maitri OBD Diagnostic channel. Hello friends, today we will check how to use Maitri OBD Diagnosis application. First of all, you open the Google Play Store and search Maitri OBD Diagnostic in search menu. In search result, you will find Maitri OBD Diagnostic app. Click on that and install in your Android phone. Open the app. For first time user, you have to click on sign up and create your account. For creating your account, you require your name, email address, mobile number and create your password. This information required. Suppose in future if you forget your password, this password reset link will be sent on your mentioned email address. Then click on sign up. Now connect your Bluetooth diagnosis adapter in your vehicle. In 4-wheeler it is 16-pin DLC under the dashboard, and in 2-wheeler it is 6-pin DLC. Just open your Bluetooth settings in your mobile. Click on Bluetooth and paired Bluetooth adapter. For pairing it is required password. Normally it is 000 and 1234, and pair your Bluetooth adapter. Now open the app again. Top right, click on that icon. Once you click on that icon, that paired device list will be open. Click on OBD2. Once your application connect with vehicle ECU, it is mentioned top left ECU detected. Now select your vehicle diagnosis. You want to diagnose in 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. Click on diagnosis menu. The first option is come OBD vehicle info. Select it. In that option you will find calibration number, frame number and other related data. Then second option is OBD data. All OBD2 PID you will check here, like engine RPM, intake air temperature, throttle position. This all data you can check in numerical. If you want to in graphical, click on that particular OBD PID. Then top right, that graph icon, click on that. This information you will find in graph view. You can, for more information, you can zoom in, zoom out. Beside there is a gauge view. If you click on that gauge view will be open. And the last icon, once you click on that options are pop up, like OBD fault code. In that menu you can check DTC in your vehicle. Once you check it, you can clear also. You can clear DTC in your vehicle. If you want to more information about the DTC, just click on that long press. This app by default search in Google search engine for more information. Now offline DTC search, you can search P code, B code, C code and U code offline. Tech support option. If you are facing any issue or problem in application or in your vehicle, you can take help from the Maitri OBD user. For that you have to type your issue in that option, and please make sure you mention the problem properly so that other user can understand, so that other Maitri OBD user also can help you. You can upload image, video, audio for more understanding. Like that I upload one image here and mention that problem and submit. After this post, that Maitri OBD users can like. You can also share your this post to other social media like WhatsApp and Instagram. And someone want help you, they can comment on your that issue and they can help you. And if you want to delete, you can delete it your post. Now third option is language setting. Click on my profile, then click on language. You will find three options: English, Gujarati, Hindi. Once you select it and update, all Maitri OBD functions comes in regional language, whatever you selected. For more information, visit www.maitriobd.com, and any support is required, mail on support@maitriobd.com. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.